The Dalai Lama was talking about how sensory things can give us joy, like an ice cream cone or um, being under a waterfall. But he said the lasting joy comes from where we can bring ourselves in our mind. And if you can bring yourself to a quiet, peaceful place just mentally, then that's lasting joy. So I think about that as you talk about your memories and where you're at right now and what you're willing to do and what you're willing to think about. It's all powerful.
So I don't know if y'all have had a chance to look at any of our other stuff, but we have a program called Nature Body Connection Program, and it's on our website. That's our Nature Body Connection. So if any of those kind of things appealed to you, you might want to take a look at those. That's something that we offer on our website.
Yeah, we have a meditation that you can try out. And then what we just did was we looked through part of our program. And so every one of these workshops will be going into a different story and talking about the different ways that nature can help us, whether it's um, posture and our confidence. And that'll be next time. How can we breathe to improve our posture and our confidence? How can stress make us more resilient? And we'll be going out into the Wild West, like I was mentioning, so the high desert. We've got workshops that bring us to a tropical swim where we're feeling ourselves underwater and seeing that undulating world and opening our chests to float up and look up at the sky. Winter ski, and so every one of these will be a different setting, and each one will be massaging a different part of our body, whether it's our shoulders or our knees, um, or our hands. And yeah, experiencing the story and different breathing techniques. So it's all tools to help us connect with our bodies, to help us listen in more keenly. It's been really nice to get to know you all. I hope
Yeah,
you can join us for the rest.